In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to disable auto renewal in Hostinger. This is a crucial step if you want to manage your subscriptions manually and avoid any unexpected charges on your account. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to navigate to your Hostinger dashboard. If you're not already logged in, go ahead and enter your credentials to access your account. Your Hostinger dashboard is essentially your central hub where you can manage all aspects of your hosting services, from websites to billing information. Once you're on your dashboard, the next step is to locate the billing option in the menu. The billing section is where Hostinger manages all payment-related activities, including past payments and future subscriptions. Click on Billing to proceed. Within the billing section, you will see several options. Here, you want to click on Subscriptions. This is where all your active services are listed, such as domains, web hosting, or any other services you're subscribed to. You'll be able to view their renewal dates and other important information. Now, look through your list of subscriptions and decide which one you want to disable auto renewal for. It's a good practice to double check that you're selecting the right subscription to make sure you don't accidentally cancel something you want to keep renewing. Once you've identified the subscription, click on it to open more options. After selecting the subscription, you should see an option to disable auto renewal. It'll usually be marked with a small arrow or similar indicator to expand more details or options. Click this arrow to proceed. Next, you'll be presented with the option to disable auto renewal. Before you proceed, take a moment to review any notifications or disclosures provided by Hostinger regarding the implications of disabling auto renewal. For instance, it might show you the exact date when the subscription will expire if you decide not to renew. This information is crucial because it ensures you don't inadvertently let an important service lapse. Once you're ready, confirm your choice by clicking on Disable Auto Renewal. This will deactivate the automatic payments, and the subscription will no longer renew when the current term ends. And there you have it. You've successfully disabled auto renewal for your Hostinger subscription. This change helps you avoid unexpected payments and gives you better control over your subscription management. Remember to set a reminder for the expiration date if it's a service you might want to renew manually in the future. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful. Don't forget to check back for more tutorials on managing your online services efficiently.